look good. But even more good is if I had more speed. That better. No. Lights. No, go up. Go up. Up. Beam. Up. Up. There we go. We're up. I'm gonna go teleport to a walking transport. There we go. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm not gonna do it on my way. Kinda broken. No chaos. I'm so weak. I crashed. Go up. Staring area I can jump from. There it is. And there I can jump from. I'm going for a jump. I'm going You see, I'm not an ordinary trucker. I'm not. Oh, flip, what happened? I don't know. Go up. Go up this bridge. Go up the bridge. Go. I have to make it. I have to. We're going not fast. It's right there. I'm gonna skip. And then here we are. Someone just crashed into me. Oh well. I got money. I'm gonna go turn this thing into a bus car now. Look at my area right now. It's good. It looks good. It looks good. Chicken nugget, yeah. Oh. I don't know. I need money. I do need money. Oh well. That was just a little bit of upgrade. Let's see how fast this thing is now. You guys are the only one that can see what it was, what the upgrade was, because I didn't see it. Oh my god, this car very fast. It got drift. I know a car that can drift. But first I need to park this up. Okay, not good.